Hello, everyone. I am your legendary host, John the Botman Doe, and I will be your narrator for this adventure. Welcome to my channel, where I talk about all things related to cybersecurity. In today's video, I'm going to explore how artificial intelligence, or AI, can help us enhance the protection of data, systems, and networks from cyber threats. AI is a branch of computer science that aims to create machines and software that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as learning, reasoning, and decision-making. AI has been advancing rapidly in recent years, thanks to the availability of large amounts of data, powerful computing resources, and innovative algorithms. AI has many applications in various domains, such as healthcare, education, entertainment, and of course, cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting information and systems from unauthorized access, use, modification, or destruction. Cybersecurity is essential for ensuring the privacy, integrity, and availability of data and services in the digital world. However, cybersecurity is also facing many challenges and threats, such as the increasing complexity and scale of cyber attacks, the shortage of skilled cybersecurity professionals, and the dynamic and evolving nature of cyber risks. Therefore, we need new and better ways to deal with these challenges and threats. And this is where AI can help us. AI can help us enter a new age of cybersecurity by enabling 4 key capabilities: proactive defense, anomaly detection, threat intelligence, and incident response. Let me explain each of these capabilities in more detail. Proactive defense. This means using AI to prevent or mitigate cyber attacks before they cause any damage or disruption. For example, AI can help us design more secure systems and software by automatically identifying and fixing vulnerabilities, enforcing security policies, and testing security features. AI can also help us monitor and control the access and behavior of users and devices on our networks by using biometric authentication, behavioral analysis, and device management. Anomaly detection. This means using AI to detect any unusual or suspicious activity or event on our systems or networks that may indicate a cyber attack. For example, AI can help us analyze large amounts of data from various sources, such as logs, sensors, cameras, and user feedbacks, and use machine learning techniques to learn the normal patterns and behaviors of our systems or networks. Then, AI can compare the current data with the learned patterns and behaviors and flag any deviations or anomalies that may signify a potential threat. Threat intelligence. This means using AI to collect, analyze, and share information about cyber threats from various sources, such as open-source intelligence, OSINT, dark web forums, social media platforms, and threat feeds. For example, AI can help us extract relevant and actionable insights from the vast and diverse data sources and use natural language processing, NLP, techniques to understand the context and intent of the cyber threats. Then, AI can help us disseminate the threat intelligence to the relevant stakeholders and systems in a timely and effective manner. Incident response. This means using AI to respond to cyber attacks quickly and efficiently by containing, eradicating, recovering from, and learning from them. For example, AI can help us automate some of the tasks involved in incident response, such as triaging incidents based on their severity and impact, isolating affected systems or networks, restoring normal operations, collecting evidence, analyzing root causes, generating reports, and recommending remediation actions. As you can see, AI can help us improve our cybersecurity posture by enhancing our ability to prevent, detect, respond to cyber attacks. However, AI is not a silver bullet for cybersecurity. There are also some challenges and risks associated with using AI for cybersecurity, such as ethical, legal, and social implications. Let me mention some of these challenges and risks briefly. Ethical implications. This means using AI for cybersecurity in a way that respects the values and rights of humans, such as privacy, fairness, accountability, and transparency. For example, we need to ensure that AI does not violate the privacy of users or organizations by collecting or processing their personal or sensitive data without their consent or knowledge. We also need to ensure that AI does not discriminate or harm any group or individual by using biased or inaccurate data or algorithms. We also need to ensure that AI is accountable and transparent for its actions and decisions by providing clear and understandable explanations and justifications for its outputs and outcomes. Legal implications. This means using AI for cybersecurity in a way that complies with the laws and regulations of different jurisdictions, such as data protection laws, cybersecurity laws, intellectual property laws, and human rights laws. For example, we need to ensure that AI does not infringe the legal rights or obligations of users or organizations by accessing or using their data or systems without authorization or permission. We also need to ensure that AI does not violate the laws or norms of different countries or regions by engaging in cross-border or international cyber activities or operations. We also need to ensure that AI is subject to legal oversight and enforcement by establishing clear and consistent rules and standards for its development and deployment. Social implications. This means using AI for cybersecurity in a way that considers the impacts and consequences of AI on society and humanity, such as trust, security, and well-being. For example, we need to ensure that AI does not undermine the trust and confidence of users or organizations in the security and reliability of their data or systems by introducing new or unknown vulnerabilities or risks. We also need to ensure that AI does not threaten the security and stability of society or humanity by enabling new or enhanced forms of cyber warfare or cyber terrorism. We also need to ensure that AI does not compromise the well-being and dignity of humans by replacing or surpassing their roles or capabilities. These are some of the challenges and risks of using AI for cybersecurity that we need to be aware of and address. AI is a powerful and promising tool for cybersecurity, but it also comes with some responsibilities and challenges. Therefore, we need to use AI for cybersecurity in a responsible and ethical manner, by balancing the benefits and risks, and by collaborating with other stakeholders, such as governments, regulators, industry, academia, and civil society. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos on cybersecurity. Also, feel free to leave a comment below and share your thoughts or questions on AI and cybersecurity. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Thanks for watching.